Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing good. So let's get started. Okay, so for this floral tutorial, I'm using this sketchbook. It's a 140 GSM sketchbook. It's of cartridge paper. I like this sketchbook for my trials. Like I'm practicing something, I like this sketchbook. And using this brush, it's a normal round brush. For this painting, we need two blues. Okay, you can choose any blue, one dark, one light. Okay, you can use any cobalt blue or any blue. We need one green, permanent green I'm using here. So two blues and one green, that's what we need for this. Okay, one light blue and one dark blue. You can use any blue. That's my dirty palette. Yes, we will be using this. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just showing you here the color difference, that we need this light blue, like any light blue, and this should be the darker pigment. There should be like this difference in the pigment. Okay, so let's get started. So the flower that we'll be painting, I'm showing you the way to paint it. We will draw 4 lines and dots, you can say, and then we will paint the leaves in the opposite direction. So by painting this way, it gives you more control over your leaves as well in the direction. It looks more natural to it also. Otherwise, sometimes some leaves go here and there. So for starting to paint these leaves, you should you paint in this way. It will give you a better result. थोड़ा सा हम कॉन्ट्रास्ट ऐड करने के लिए हम इसमें डार्क ब्लू ऐड कर रहे हैं. सेंटर में ज़रूर ऐड करते हैं, जिससे गिव्स लाइक इट्स हाईलाइट्स द सेंटर मोर, एंड थोड़ा बहुत हम उसकी एजेस पे, द एजेस ऑफ द लीफ. ओके, सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी इट लुक्स लाइक अ फ्लावर टू मी. इट्स गिविंग यू अ क्लोजर लुक. इट्स प्रीटी डिसेंट इनफ. Okay, so let's get started. For painting this flower, I'm just circling out a big circle, because I want them to be in this. Okay, now I'm using the same technique, 4 dots first or 4 lines first, and then painting it in this direction, the leaves in those directions. So I'm just painting it randomly, all these flowers randomly over here and there. I'm not like doing it so this is how our hydrangea is like painted. So randomly हम एक circle form किए and हम उसके अंदर ये सारी particular leaves बनाते जाएंगे, and we have to fill the circle with all these leaves. Leaves can be of various sizes. It doesn't mean कि ये एक particular size सब बड़े leaves ही होने चाहिए. छोटे बड़े का combination रखेंगे, it look visually more nice. So I'm just fast forwarding it a little bit. हालांकि इतना fast forward नहीं है, but still थोड़ा बहुत, to make it because it's visually, like for a video purpose, it's going to be like so boring to see one person doing this thing. So just adding a little dark color. जो हमने dark blue लिया था, we have to add it at the center of the flower, and also to like some petals, just highlighted some petals. Okay, just to make it more visually appealing. So just doing this randomly, after a point of time you will be like, yeah, I don't need those 4 dots or lines, and I will do it. So just हम fill कर रहे हैं पूरा वो circle. कहीं हम light color से उसे fill कर रहे हैं, कहीं हम उसे dark color से fill कर रहे हैं. So just it looks more visually appealing. थोड़े white spots we need to leave it, but जो major white spots हैं, we want to just complete it. We have to cover it. ओके, देन थोड़ा जब आपको एक बार अब ये पूरा कलर हमारा वाटर कलर, जस्ट एज ऑलवेज टोल्ड दैट इट ड्राइज वन कलर लाइटर, तो विल टेक इट द डार्कर ब्लू, एंड हम थोड़े थोड़े किसी लीव्स को विल मेक इट अ लिटिल मोर डार्कर. ओके, सो टू मेक इट मोर लाइक लिटिल विजुअली अपीलिंग, एंड थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगता है, थोड़ा कॉन्ट्रास्ट ऐड होता है. सो जस्ट डूइंग दैट, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग टू डू. लाइक थोड़ा सा डार्कर कलर लीजिए एंड विल डू इट. आई एम शोइंग इट यू इन द अदर वन कि हम कैसे कर रहे हैं. जस्ट उसके सेंटर्स को हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं, एंड मेक श्योर कि थोड़ा आप 1-2 लाइन हम मेक कि जस्ट लाइक एंटरिंग इनटू अ लीव्स आल्सो. ओके, so just highlighting some of the petals to make it more nicer looking. Just completed this, and here comes a little stem, because हवा में था अभी तक, तो ये हमारा the circle of us, and just doing that and just painting it a little loose, and painting the leaf in the little wiggle style. Okay, wiggle the brush, like wiggle, yes, wiggle, come back. So this is how I'm painting this leaves. I like to paint it this way, and keeping it also a little loose, because ज़्यादा dark तो we don't like it. So, and splatter, because without splatter no painting is complete for us. So this is it. So this is our flower. Okay, suddenly I forgot the name of the flower, but this is it. Okay, bye, and I thank you for watching it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comment section, and bye.